Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. 2,208 miles on the odometer. Now if you see any flickering on the buttons, screens, gauges, anything like that, that's just in the camera. That is not in person. Got the rear view mirror camera. Absolutely wicked interior with the orange. This is a first drive for me on the E-Rate as well, so I'm kind of interested. A lot of hype with it. At 2,000 miles, I don't suspect any issues with the car, but that's why we do a drive. Check alignment, brakes, the whole nine. Alignment's perfect, steering's nice and straight. I love the accent right here. Ties it all in with the orange stitching. I mean, this interior is wicked. Oh yeah, that's definitely cool. As you can tell, I barely got on it, but you could definitely, it pulls. There's no delay. Said, I'm not getting on it 100%, just enough so you can kind of hear it, see those shifts. Beautiful, beautiful car, zero complaints, nearly a brand new car. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So checking out the caliper, matches the stripe, which then matches the interior. Tie it all in with the key. Nice attention to detail. The whole top here is vinyl gloss black vinyl on the mirrors, and this is vinyl as well. Really, really cool. No PPF paint protection film on this car. A clear bra, none of that. Tires are 275 30/20s. Massive carbon ceramics. Look incredible. Looking at the fender. Nice bright white, looks good. The rocker looks good. That's the metallic black. This is all metallic, and then the mirrors were wrapped gloss black. I think they are white underneath because there's a little chip there. The rest of that looks good. Color matched here looks really nice. No chips in there. Door looks good. It's all nice and clean. Wheels look incredible. Look at the barrels. And that color is really, really nice. Gorgeous interior. They definitely spec'd this one really, really nice. I love the accents. Stripe looks good. Just over 2,000 miles, I believe, so front end. Looking for any rock chips. Got a tiny one right there. Being plain white though, easy touch up. From what I can tell, that's the only one standing out to me. And of course, I'm inches away looking. That wheel looks perfect. Side mirror looks good. A-pillar clean. Edge is nice, no issues there. Quarters look good. Wheels look perfect. Like I said, gloss black vinyl. Then you have the factory metallic black here on the spoiler. Color match vents. There's your factory metallic black. Absolutely gorgeous. Now when you look really close on the stripes, you do have some hard water spots, and it might be on the paint too, but being white is really hard to see. We do offer paint correction in-house and ceramic coating, and so if you're wanting to get a lot of that out, that can be done. Just on the gloss black is really where it kind of pops every once in a while. It's impossible to really see it on the white. All right, looking at the interior, killer spec here with the orange. Looks really good. Got the carbon around the steering wheel. All of this looks incredible. Alcantara inserts here. Looking at the trim, a couple little scuffs from getting in and out. Carpets look good. Bolster looks perfect. Nice and clean. Carbon. Matching stripe here. All the stitching. Heads-up display. Absolutely gorgeous. Looks and smells brand new in here. Absolutely gorgeous panel. I don't see any flaws there. Some minor scuffs from getting in and out on that trim piece. Floor mats look good with the matching stitching. Seat belts look good. Killer interior. Here in the cargo area looks good. When you need to strap down the wheels for shipping or whatnot, they have these little protectors to go around the wheels. Everything else looks perfect. Okay, all of this is gloss black vinyl. So they blacked all of this out. And it looks really, really good. Really changes the look of the car.